going to start with chapter 12, class 8, exercise 12.2, and that is on page number 268. Question number 1. I want everyone to draw the diagram with the pencil. Keep the diagram ready and then we will start. The diagram is a parallelogram. Just have a look. It is in the form of P, Q, R, S. Now, there are diagonals in the diagram that intersect at O. Clear? Now, question 1 says that in the given figure, PQRS is a parallelogram and the diagonal intersect at O. If OP is equal to 2.5, please write along with me. OP is equal to 2.5 centimeter. OQ is equal to 3.6 centimeter. OQ is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now, these are the given data. We have to find, this is given, इतना दिया गया है. Find क्या करना है? OR कितना है and OS कितना है. ठीक है? This is the whole question. This is a parallelogram in which there are two diagonals, and in this diagonals the measures of two things are given. OP is equal to 2.5, OQ is equal to 3.6. ठीक है? जो डायगोनल होता है वो इक्वल ही रहता है. सो यहाँ पे लिखना है आपको OP is equal to OR. OP is equal to OR. Pay attention. One more time I repeat. OP is equal to OR. ये वाली जो साइड है वो इसके जैसी होगी. ठीक है? हमारे पास OP की वैल्यू है 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो OR की भी वैल्यू होगी 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. So OR is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Here we have to write down OQ is equal to OS. OQ is equal to OS. OQ की वैल्यू पता है, क्वेश्चन में दी गई है 3.6, तो OS भी 3.6 होगा. So OS is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down. This will be your answer. Please write it down, everyone. Let us come down to question number 2. Question number 2 says that there is a parallelogram PQRS. Let us draw the parallelogram. all the diagrams with pencil only. P, Q, R, S. And there is a diagonal given over here. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. The question says that OS is equal to 5 centimeter. OS is equal to 5 centimeter. And PR is 6 centimeter. जो PR है वो है 6 centimeter. Sorry. 6 centimeter more than QS. 6 centimeter plus QS. Please write it down. इसका मतलब ये हुआ PR is 6 centimeter more than QS. Find OP. हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? OP फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ द थिंग्स आर वर्किंग. यहाँ पे हमें पता है OS इज इक्वल टू OQ. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे OS इज इक्वल टू OQ. अगर OS 5 है तो O देखो यहां से डायग्राम करेंगे. OS 5 है तो OQ भी 5 होगा. तो OQ इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. डायगोनल का दो पार्ट में डिवीजन होता है. अगर OS 5 है तो उसका ऑपोजिट जो डायगोनल है वो भी इक्वली होगा. देखो OS इज इक्वल टू 5 तो OQ जो है वो भी 5 सेंटीमीटर ही होगा. OS इज इक्वल टू OQ. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है? द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट PR इज 6 सेंटीमीटर मोर देन QS. ये पूरा QS कितना हुआ? अगर ये 5 है तो ये भी 5 होगा. ठीक है. तो 10 हो जाएगा. सो QS इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. वाई 10 सेंटीमीटर? ये वाला 5 और ये वाला 5 ये क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है और ये वाला 5 आपको हमें अभी मिला है. सो QS इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. व्हाट इज PR? PR इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर प्लस QS. QS की वैल्यू कहां से आएगी? QS की वैल्यू है 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो QS की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 10 सेंटीमीटर. QS की जगह पे हम 10 सेंटीमीटर लिखेंगे. QS इज इक्वल टू 10. 5 प्लस 5. सो PR इज इक्वल टू 16 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. हमें PR मिल गया पूरा 16 सेंटीमीटर. हमें तो OP ढूंढना है. OP मतलब PR का आधा. सो OP इज इक्वल टू PR डिवाइड बाय 2. 16 डिवाइड बाय 2. Put your answers only in the chat box. How many centimeters is OP? You have to write completely OP is equal to how many centimeters. इस तरह से आंसर चैट बॉक्स में डालना है. OP is equal to how many centimeters. I'll just give you a moment. Please write it down. O and P should be in capital. Please write it down. OP is equal to how many centimeters. Write in the chat box and then write in the fair book or rough book wherever you are writing. I give you a moment to write it down. Please write it down. Now we come down to question number 3. In this question number 3, this question exercise 12.2, question number 3 is same as example number 8, that is on page number 267. ठीक है. I want everyone to look at example number 8 on page number 267. This is same to same as that. So this is your self. This question is to be done by your self looking at the example number 8 on page 267. Okay. These type of questions I will not be able to solve because whole question number 3 is your homework. Let us come down to question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 says that two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. This is a parallelogram. This and this angles are in the ratio of 2x and 3x. 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 का मतलब क्या होता है? एक एंगल होता है 2x डिग्री and the another one is 3x डिग्री. ठीक है, एंगल्स की बात है. We know that in a parallelogram, adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So what we are supposed to do, pay attention. We are going to see that these both angles equals 180 degree. यहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर्टी है sum of, please write along with me, क्वेश्चन के बाजू में आप लिखोगे, then only you will be able to remember. Sum of adjacent angles in parallelogram equals 180 degree. So 2x degree plus 3x का degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 180 degree. I want everyone to put the answers in the chat box once they get it. So 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree upon 5. X की वैल्यू क्या होगी? पुट इन द चैट बॉक्स विद द डिग्रीज. X is equal to डैश डिग्री, वो आपको चैट बॉक्स में लिखना है कंप्लीटली. डोंट पुट जस्ट आंसर्स. Learn to put x is equal to dash degree. 180 divided by 5. Please write it down and solve and put the answers. So we have x is equal to 36 degree. ठीक है, ये x की वैल्यू जो है we are going to put it into the 2x and in 3x because we have to find the angles. X is equal to 36 यहाँ पे जाएगा. 2 into 36 gives you 72 degree. So the first angle is 72 degree. The other one is 36 into 3, that is 108 degree. अगर ये 36 ये 3x है तो ये भी 108 होगा और ये भी 72 डिग्री होगा. यहाँ पे 72 क्योंकि opposite angles are equal to each other. So the angles will be 72, 108, 72 and 108 degree. This will be your answer. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down. Now we come down to question number 5. Please pay attention. Question number 5 has a parallelogram. Question number 5. It has got a parallelogram. Let me draw the parallelogram. Please, everyone, draw the diagram. P, Q, R, S. Here, the small alphabets are given over here, which we are going to find. We have to find X, Y. We have to find the value of X, Y, Z, and W. This is the question. First of all, we should always understand the whole question before solving it. Okay? In this type of question, what we have, the figure itself says that this is W, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. यहाँ पे दिया गया है 110 डिग्री. ठीक है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. वेरी वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. आपको एक बात तो पता होगी कि इन पैरेललोग्राम ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. ठीक है, सो हमें ये पता है कि x की वैल्यू और y की वैल्यू सेम आएगी. अच्छा, z इज ऑपोजिट टू 110, तो z की जगह हम रख देंगे 110 डिग्री. ठीक है, z इज ऑपोजिट टू 110. यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट एंगल बन रहा है, आप चेक करो पूरा, ये स्ट्रेट एंगल बन रहा है. ठीक है, सो 110 डिग्री प्लस w इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. I want everyone to put the answers. W is equal to how much degree in the chat box. मुझे यहाँ पे लिखने का पता चले. I want everyone to write down in the chat box. What is the value of W? W is equal to how much degree? Please use the chat box to give the answers. W is equal to, this is also 70 degree. ठीक है, ये अगर 110 है तो ये कितना होगा? As we know that x plus z is equal to 180 degree. X plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. X की वैल्यू क्या होगी? प्लीज पुट योर आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. X is equal to how much degree? जो भी x की वैल्यू आएगी वही y की वैल्यू आएगी. So y is also equal to same. So we have z, w, x and y all together. I want everyone to write it down. Please write it down. I give you a moment. So x is equal to 70 degree and y is also equal to 70 degree because x is equal to y. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी 70 डिग्री आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 70 डिग्री. Z is 110 and W is equal to 70 degree. Please write it down, everyone, those who have not written. Okay, let us come down to the next set of question. Question number 6. Question number 6 says that the shorter side of the parallelogram is 3.6 centimeter and the longer is half as much again as the shorter side. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram. So question number 6 is equal to, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया था exercise 12.2. Question number 6 is same as example number 4 on page number 266. This question you have to do it on your own. This question I have done it for you and it is same as example number 4 on page number 266. This is your self homework. Okay. Question number 7. The ratio of two sides of a parallelogram is in 3 is to 5 and its perimeter is 80 centimeter. Find the sides of the parallelogram. Question number 7 is same as example number 2 on page number 266. I want you to solve on your own. Example I have done for you. This question you have to do it by yourself. Let us come down to the eighth question. Question number 8. In a parallelogram ABCD, I want everyone to draw a parallelogram ABCD. Question number 8. Draw the parallelogram A, B, C, D. In the parallelogram ABCD, angle B is equal to 135 degree. Angle B is equal to 135 degree. The question says that determine the measures of angle B, A, C and D. एंगल ए हमें फाइंड करना है, एंगल बी, एंगल सी एंड एंगल डी. ये आपको गिवन है 135 डिग्री. इसका ऑपोजिट है एंगल डी. ठीक है, तो वी नो दैट एंगल ए सॉरी एंगल बी प्लस एंगल डी इज इक्वल टू इज ऑलवेज इक्वल. ठीक है, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल, इक्वल टू एंगल डी. ये एंगल इसके इक्वल होगा तो ये भी 135 डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि प्रॉपर्टी है ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल टू ईच अदर. Here we have angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B की वैल्यू है 135 डिग्री. एंगल A की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? प्लीज पुट इन द चैट बॉक्स. जो एंगल A की वैल्यू होगी वही एंगल C की भी वैल्यू होगी. आई वांट एवरीवन टू यूज द चैट बॉक्स. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे टोटल 180 आएगा. ठीक है, so angle A की वैल्यू और angle C की वैल्यू please put in the chat box everyone. I want everyone to solve and put the values in the chat box. So now we have question number 9 and question number 10. Question number 9 is equal to example number 8 of page number 267. And question number 10 is of example number 7, page number 267 again. So today's homework, solve exercise 12.2, question 1 to 10 in fair notes. This is your today's mathematics homework. Please, you have to solve this and show it to me by tomorrow. Thank you so much. You can put your attendance and leave the class.